So, good morning guys. So, I'm here now. Here now at SM Clark. So, that's our shuttle bus going to the site 1 to our building site 2. So, we have free shuttle. That time is 5 a.m. pa lang dyan. Ayan, tamang lakad lang, lakad-lakad. Lakad pa, sige pa, lakad pa, ayan pa, sige. Ayan na, so ano pa lang, meron pa lang isang pasahero dyan, apat pa lang kami nung umalis yung bus. So ayan na, nakalis na yung bus ng 5:30. So medyo malapit lang naman yung company. So ayan na, mag-i-in na, 5:47, nasa company na ako. Sa site 2 kami, sa site 2 yung mga trainees, so training pa lang ako guys. So yan, dyan pwedeng maglaro, magpahinga. So we have our lockers. And this is our pantry. Look how big our pantry. We also have free coffee. And we also have refrigerator. So we can fridge yung mga gusto namin dalhin. So ayan, nasa pantry ako. Lilinisin ko lang yung tumbler ko. So there's soap na naman to clean the tumbler or plates like that. So that machine is, yung nakikita yung machine is our coffee machine. So tamang linis lang, linis ng tumbler. So ayan guys, ang tagal ko maglinis ng tumbler kasi nililinis ko yung yung rubber niya because dapat malinis yung rubber kasi doon sumisiksik yung mga germs, dirts. So it should be, ayun, may isang taon na. So I'm getting Milo at or coffee. It's either, my favorite there is Milo and latte. So it's already break time. We're heading to site 1 to have our free meal. We have free meal provided by the company. So sinusundo kami ng bus sa site 2 para pumunta sa site 1. Araw-araw yan. We're in bus by the way.
Vlogger ka din.
Vlogger is.
Ngayon gagawin mo sa Tarla?
Oo nga.
Ayun po sa mga family ko sa Tarla. Nasa TV na ako, artista na ako.
So this is William.
Vlog ko.
Wala na siyang energy. He's gutom na. We're hungry. So, ayan na guys, nasa parking lot na kami ng site 2. Ayan lahat ng bus ng company namin. So, we have 7 bus yata dyan. So, ayun, papakita ko lang yung sa parking lot namin. Maluwag yan. Meron pang parking lot sa building. Sa may ground. Sa likod ng building, basta meron pang isang parking lot. Ayun, bababa na kami. Ayan, may mga pwede mag-billiard. So, ayan, tapos na kami mag-lunch. At, so, pagkakain namin, alis na kasi baka iwan kami ng bus. Ayan, lakad-lakad lang. Ayun guys, mag-review po kami. Ayan yung mga anak ka-wavemates. Masakit na yung utak namin. Dami namin kailangan review. Yan lang, mag-review kami here. This is our pantry. Oo, vlogger ako. May ano? YouTube din. Oo. Sasabihin, mag-review ako. Meron ako ng dami. Pako ng HR. Ayaw ba na? This is my Laika. Siya yung lagi kong kasama. Tapos ito, mga lovebirds. Ayun, kasi may mga assessment kami and we need to review. Ayan, our review.
Apat pa kasama ito, bago namin tatlo na lang. So, possible isa
Review na kami guys.
ikaw lang nakikita, be. Paano mo nakikita?
Ayan, hindi ko lang hindi nakikita girls. Ay, ka na. I-focus mo na.
Ay, video pala yun, be!
Our 7-day training is finally done. So, we graduated guys at Stanford University. Yeah. We're having our 15 minutes break for afternoon. Kuya Mark, say hi. Kuya Mark. Hi, hi, hi.
Hello.
May vlogger tayo kasama eh.
So, yeah, we're going home.